In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your PC or laptop is not turning off after clicking the shutdown button. So this is actually a nice and straightforward tutorial. All you need to do is head over to your start menu and search for control panel and then click on the control panel window. From the top, you want to make sure view by is set to large icons, and then we're going to click on power options. From the left hand side, select choose what the power buttons do, and then select this option that says change settings that are currently unavailable. Now underneath shutdown settings, you need to make sure this option here, turn on fast startup, you need to make sure this is left unchecked like so, and then we're just going to press save changes. You can then close out of this window, and that should have now fixed any shutdown issues you were experiencing. If it's still not working, what you can do is head over to the start menu, search for CMD, and then right click on the command prompt and run this as administrator. From this window, type in power CFG space H space off and then hit enter. Once you've done that, you can close out of this window, and once again, that should have now solved your issue. Now, if you have tried all of these steps and it's not working, another thing you can try doing is just tapping the power button on your laptop or computer and keep tapping this continually for around about 30 seconds. This is another way sometimes it can solve the issue for you. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.